This is why your product or service is not selling online. You probably made this mistake without even realizing it. My name is Kuba. I'm from Contrepreneurs, run by Ted Carr, $1 million business where we help coaches launch their online business to scale to 5, 10, 20K plus months. And in this video, I want to break down why people are not buying your product or service, something that you may not even be realizing, even though you're so sure that your service and product can help so many people, whether that's with health, whether that's with wealth, or whether that's with relationships or getting rid of some sort of pain in their life. You know your product or service can help them. And yet, why aren't they buying from you? Why don't they know that they need your product or service? So I'm gonna break down the 3 ways that you can get clear on your product or service in a way that people will feel stupid saying no and they'll wanna buy your stuff. First of all, you have to be selling an end result. People don't care about the process that they need to take to get a certain end result. They just want an end result. For example, you can be passionate about raw vegan foods because you know these raw vegan foods changed your life. You started eating raw vegan foods, fruits and vegetables, and you lost a lot of weight. You gained muscle, you healed some diseases, you got better skin, you have more energy, so you know raw vegan diet is the way to go. Now you're trying to sell your coaching service, helping people eat a raw vegan diet. But why would people want to eat a raw vegan diet? They haven't experienced the benefits that you have, so they don't know that that exists. They don't know that's what they're getting. But if you sold them losing 20 pounds in 30 days, having glowing skin, healing your eczema, healing your chronic gut issues, healing your knee pain, your back pain, now people might be taking out their wallet because they want that result. They want to get rid of the pain. They want their ultimate desire. They want that pleasure that they're seeking, which you know comes with raw vegan foods, but they don't know that. So you have to sell them the end result and not the process. Same with wealth creation. They want the money. They don't care about the process. So you could teach them the process later, but first you have to sell them that they'll make more money. People want to find the ideal partner. They want to have a better relationship with their spouse. That's an end result that people are paying for. They don't care about doing therapy or communication or whatever the work it takes to find a better partner. They just want that result. So you have to sell them that result. And once you do, then you show them the process. Now the second thing, you have to be clear on the person you're selling to. Who are you selling to? Now, you might want to help everyone and you don't want to limit. But this is called niching down. You have to niche down to a specific group of people so that they know that you can help them. Because if you say you can help everyone, I help people, I help everyone lose weight, or I help everyone find their ideal relationship, who does that really mean? If I saw that, I would move past it because I didn't think it spoke to me. Because I'm not everyone. I'm an entrepreneur, I'm a dude in my 30s, single, health conscious. I'm all these labels, but I can't relate with everyone. So you have to speak to a specific person. So for example, I help mothers lose 20 pounds. That is way more specific. I help entrepreneurs, or I help coaches. I help a specific group of people. Once you niche down, those people will buy from you much quicker. And the more niche, the more you can raise your price of your product or service. Now the third thing is, before selling your product or service, you have to deliver free value. You have to help solve people's problems, show them solutions, give them value in your free content and in your free materials, like a free ebook, a free video course. Give this stuff away for free, as much as you can. And then people will see the value you're sharing. They'll see your credibility. They'll see you know what you're talking about, and they see that you have all this information, knowledge, and wisdom to share. And they're like, if you're doing this for free, imagine what you're doing for paid. So you have to share your wisdom and knowledge and insights for free. Give the value, educate people, entertain people, connect with people, be relatable, and then they'll trust you more to buy from you. Now, if you have an offer in mind that you want to sell, or it's not selling, you're already trying to sell it, check out the link below for a free call, an offer clarity call with either me or someone on my team, where we help you get clear on your offer, like exactly what are you selling, what is the end result you're helping people achieve, who are you selling to, what is the niche, and how can you give your audience and your prospects value so that they want to meet you and actually pay you to join your stuff, your products and services. And I'll see you in the next video. Much love.